The guilty plea of a man from Signal Mountain is raising questions about when the state can ask for the death penalty in child rape cases. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Lawmakers already tried to make child rape punishable by death in 2024. Court documents we obtained shows Stephen Rappaport pleaded guilty to sexual abuse of a minor and 2 counts of aggravated rape of a child. Hamilton County DA Cody Wamp says they tried to seek the death penalty in Rappaport's case. However, other state laws stood in the way of that law passed in 2024.
DA Wamp says that law lacked the necessary aggravating factors. News Channel 9's Lily Butler reports on the effort to create new aggravating factors specifically apply to the rape of a child. Lily.
Kim and Josh, this bill was passed in 2024 with the intention of making the death penalty an option when it comes to sentencing child rapists. Lawmakers who sponsored it say if there are any technicalities preventing courts from enforcing that law, that's unacceptable and should be fixed. Now, Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Wamp says that's what they're trying to do.
Legislation is always a work in progress.
Lawmakers like Ken Yeager, who backed this bill 2 years ago, made their intentions clear.
The bill that we are submitting would allow them to give life imprisonment without parole, or the death penalty.
So those like Stephen Rappaport, who, according to Hamilton County court documents, pled guilty to aggravated rape of a child, could be punished by death.
You're talking about taking the very soul of a child when you rape them.
But Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Wamp says they did not have that option in this case.
She brought it to me and said, you know, there's a loophole in this and we need to tighten this up.
Wamp says that's because a different law on the books says the aggravating factors for death in Tennessee only apply to murder. And that 2024 legislation, Wamp says, authorized death for raping children, but did not amend or add to the list of aggravating factors in general. Greg Martin, a state representative from Hickson, says he wanted to help bridge that gap.
It's the reason that I filed this bill and have vetted it with several attorneys and making sure that we're on the right path here.
So Wamp, Martin, and Todd Gardenhire, a state senator from Chattanooga, have filed a new bill.
What this does is this gives definition to what those aggravating circumstances are.
So that option for the death penalty will be available next time a case like this comes through the court system. Senator Jack Johnson, who sponsored the original 2024 law, says they did work with prosecutors to ensure the law would be applied as intended, but he fully supports the work to close any loopholes and make sure child rapists are fully held accountable. Josh.
Lily, thank you. Rappaport is expected back in court for a sentencing hearing in early May.